This is behind the scenes of the school store, how to make frozen hot chocolate. First, we need to gather our ingredients. Gordon's hot cocoa mix, Meyer's fat-free milk, Gordon's premium Dutch chocolate syrup, and finally, Dominion pure cane sugar. Now, you're probably wondering how all this turns into this. First, we need to make sure our gloves are on. Next, add the cocoa mix. Then, add half a cup of sugar. Next comes the chocolate syrup. And finally, the milk. Then we put the blender on, set it to high, and let it blend. Once it's finished, we put it in a container. And then in the fridge to cool for the next day. Now it's time to make the real deal, and this is easier. First, add a quarter blender of ice. Then, add half a cup of mix. And now, put the blender on high and let it mix. Now, you might need to add more mix to make sure all the ice is blended. Now, we can take our gloves off and toss them in the trash. Now, we'll scoop out all the smoothie that has just been blended into a cup. Then, we'll add the lid, and finally, add whipped cream and put a straw in it.